So hello everyone. So there is all different kind of ways that you can build your soil. You can hot compost, cold compost, and you can vermicompost to add nutrients to dead soil. So today I wanted to expose you all to vermicomposting. I would like to show you what they look like and how to identify what stage they're in. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get into it. If you have not subscribed and you have not hit the notification bell, you won't get the full tutorial, y'all. You won't understand exactly how to get successful worms, because successful worms mean successful soil. And if you have successful soil, you have successful growing seeds. And if you have successful growing seeds, you have nutrition indeed. Okay, so with that being said, thank you all so much for tuning in to the very first video. There's so much more to come. My name is Aisha Damara. Always make sure that you aim higher and put God first in everything that you do, and take your desolate lands and make them like the Garden of Eden, says the Lord. So with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.